Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Clini India Medical Coding course. This institute prepares students for certification exam in ICD-10 and CPT coding system, and these are the most important system for medical coders. Okay, here they have mentioned expectations from a medical coding course. ICD-10, CM, CPT, medical billing. Now let's check their curriculum, what all they are offering. ICD-10, CM, CPT coding they are offering, medical billing, and AI is the most advanced topic to be covered to be a medical coder, so they are not offering. So this is a disadvantage. Also, they are not covering HIPICS. Okay, they are providing medical coding certification. Here they have mentioned the curriculum, practical exercises, CPT coding. Okay, they are making you prepare for mock certification exams and review. And mock exams are very important before giving any medical coding exams. Also, they are giving practical experience and internships. Also, they are making you prepare for medical coding certification exams. So this is a plus point. Okay, they have advanced curriculum, but AI part is missing, and AI is the most important topic to be a medical coder. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, I would rate it 1 because they are aligned with APC. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. Okay, they have advanced curriculum, though HIPICS is missing. And also the most important topic, AI. They are not covering AI, which is the most advanced topic to be covered. So I would rate this 0.3. Qualified and experienced instructors, they are not talking anything about this. So I would rate this 0. Practical training and case studies, they are giving practical experience. So I would give this 0.8. Certification exam preparation support. Yes, they are making prepare for APC exam. So I would give this 1. Internship and job placement assistance. Okay, they are giving 100% placement assistance. So I would give this 1. Access to updated coding books and software. Nothing was mentioned. So I would rate this 0. Flexible learning options, online and offline. Okay, nothing was mentioned. So I would give this 0. Student reviews and success rate. Testimonials they have mentioned. You can check it out by yourself. So I would give this 0.5. Course fees, duration, and payment option, nothing was mentioned. So I would give this 0. Okay, so overall ranking we have here is just 4.6. And personally, I would not recommend this institute because AI part is missing. Also, if you talk about the curriculum, HIPICS is missing, which is important. Also, they are not talking anything about the coding books and software. So as per me, I would not suggest this. Also, if you are serious about your career in medical coding industry and is searching for the best institute, then I have already mentioned one of the best link. You can check it out. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So you may check it out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.